Let's get started by creating a new contact. Everything begins with contacts and customer accounts. Think of contacts as the Rolodex of everyone your company does business with. Contacts can be attorneys, appraisers, general contractors, subcontractors, vendors, property managers, and contacts are customers. An account is essentially your customer. Accounts can be companies or individuals. You must set up a customer as an account in order to invoice them. Also, accounts must have one primary associated contact with it. Accounts provide a full history of all work ever bid on and performed for that account. You can sort by different contact types by clicking on the shortcuts here and searching. We have 15 contacts that are customers in our database. Remember to clear and the filter and sort so that you're always looking at full data. To create a new contact, click on New. Remember that the yellow fields are input fields, whereas fields with a gray background are calculated fields, or they pull information from another location. In this example, the contact full name is a combination of the first name and the last name. Be sure to enter in a current phone number for your contact. Indicate whether this contact is a company or an individual. We're going to select company for this particular example. Always be sure to put in an accurate email address, as this is the method of communication throughout the sales and production cycle. Entering in current information for billing will save you time down the road. The full billing address is also a calculated field based off the data that you're entering for city, state, and zip code. If the country that you are in does not follow this format, you can simply type in the full address here. Enter in any notes for the contact in this location. If this contact is associated with an account, it will automatically populate in this reference table. Now let's save this contact. Since this is a customer, the next thing that we must do is create an account for this customer. Go to Customer Accounts. You can sort on the different types of accounts between companies or individuals. To create a new customer account, click on New. Remember, the input fields are where you put data. If there's a red asterisk next to it, it is a required field. Give the account a name, and if it's a company, name the company. You must have an account primary contact. In order to populate this information, go to the individual contact ID and select the contact that you just created. You must indicate whether or not this contact is the primary contact by saying yes. Once you do that, all of the information that we populated will appear here. The reason that you have to pick yes or no is you can have multiple contacts associated to an account, such as a project manager, accounts payable, etc. As you go through the opportunity sales cycle and production process, this reference table will populate with every opportunity that you have ever bid on for this customer, if you've won it, what the total contract value was, final gross margin, and the associated properties. Accounts keep track of the lifetime value, lifetime won ratio as well. Save this account. If we go back to the contact that we created, we will see its association to the account. You can also go to all account associations and then sort by the account name to see all of the different contacts for that account. Click on the account name and click Total and Summary. Here I can see that the Lone Ranger Ranch has 2 contacts. By clicking there, you can see the 2 contacts associated to that account.